Well, here we are at driven.co, and it's a pretty momentous occasion today. Why do I have on ripped up gloves and a mask and all that kind of stuff? Well, there's a very good reason, because we've been busy over here, and today we had a new arrival here at the shop besides the normal crazy exotic stuff that we deal with. So what we got here today is the piece de resistance. Yes. Auto Mecha Roamer 1 Brubaker Box. How cool. This thing has been in a garage for 30 years. There's only been 2 people really who've seen this thing in the last 30 years, besides Dale and I over at driven.co, and it shows it. It's been. If anybody says this is an easy job, let me tell you, they're not telling you the truth. With the factory, with these are uncleaned, with just clean these ones in the back, which looks, actually to me, it looks just amazing, the condition there. But it looks like everything very possibly is factory. So there's some odd things about this particular box that we're going to research and figure out. One is the dash. That's an unusual dash. That's not the typical dash we would see in an auto mecha vehicle. It would be basically, most of the ones I've seen are just a plate or a bar, not a bar, but a pad that goes across the front here, and this area up here is completely open. But as you can see, this is one giant solid. I mean, if this was a griddle, you could put 80 pancakes on here. I mean, this is a big expanse here, and it's pretty cool. Not that I don't like it, but it wasn't Curtis's original thought. He wanted to put a frunk up there and eventually put a refrigerator up in this area so that you could open it up, get cold drinks and stuff like that. Kind of a cool, innovative idea. It's got this interesting curvature in the side plexiglass. Now, I don't know if that's a typical deal, or that was used for strengthening on this particular one, or what the story is. So this is something else that bears some investigation. I do like the way that they put the rear cone on here. They've got little pins that extend out from the body through the rear bumper, and then cotter pins or hitch pins are placed in there to hold it. You just pull those out, pull the rear cover out. The roof is in exceptional condition. It's got the moldings that look like they've been fitted very nicely. At least they're very strong for the moonroof and windshield. This usually takes the stock AMC Javelin moldings, but these are aftermarket in appearance, both on the windshield and the moonroof. So I'm not sure why the change was made to go that way, or if that was a factory item or not. We notice the back glass has this line and Roamer 1 written on it. This is not a decal. This is etched into the glass. Somebody taped this off, sandblasted it, and it is in there, baby. So unless this gets replaced with another El Camino back glass, this is the way this car has been for many years. So there's our Ottoman. So now, time to make this pretty, get it back on the road so that everybody can enjoy it. Well, one has to say that back here in the rear seating area, looking forward, this is absolutely awesome. Gotta tell you, this has to be the coolest seating position of any car anywhere. This is silly cool. I can't wait to get this thing going. Cruise in the back. This is just nuts. Awesome. What a design. What a design. So, Willie Bob, this is day one on this car. We're already attacking the brakes. Pull the engine. Getting ready to put a nice safety upgrade, some front disc brakes on it, some nice shiny stuff, some empty stuff. So Willie Bob's putting some new steering components on it, changing out the brakes. We'll clean out the fuel system, check everything, get underneath it, take a look at things, see what's working, what's not. You can see the original color looks like it was a burgundy, and it looks like it came black from the factory, and this was a painted coat on top of it, and then somebody painted a red over it. But the body itself is in great condition. The top's in lovely shape. These are a little bit different than we've seen on some of the other boxes as well. So it looks like they're all a little bit different. Mr. Will!
What's up?
What you got going on this box now?
Well, we're separating the body from the chassis so we have access to get the tank in. Once the tank is in, we lower it down, we're able to put the motor in.
Nice, nice. Man, looks like you got some cool pipes on this thing now.
Look at that.
Man, it's all raptored underneath, so it looks good.
Yeah.
Wiring loom, gonna go through some wiring and stuff.
Yeah, they're mostly all gonna get yanked out, put some new loom.
Cool, that's nice. We'll make it nice. There's the hole for the gas tank in there. So that's cool. Pan looks good. Got everything covered up nicely under here. Raptored out, so it's gonna look good. Oh, the box is gonna be bad. Big day coming up at driven.co. Because tomorrow we get to test drive the box. Right now, this is the first time this Brubaker box has seen public daylight and is going to actually try to get back on a public road. This is the very, very first test drive. For me, it's exciting. It's a culmination of 49 years I've been waiting to take this vehicle and drive it. I've been searching for 49 years since the 1972 Car and Driver magazine. And today is the day that dream finally comes together. Willie Bob's worked long and hard to get this car here. Dale's traveled across the country to get to this moment. On the road again. It's actually moving. It's actually on the street. Wow.